Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic Logitech keyboard. Do you fingertips pain due to long hours of work on PC or mobile? Well, it happens with most of us and Logitech keyboards are the one and only solution to this. You will get numerous categories of keywords according to your need. Logitech's K480 would surely amaze you due to its variable use with your mobile phone. Gaming becomes comfortable with influential gadgets. That's what Logitech G keyboards are used for. Go forward and get all information you need. Starting with the first one, Logitech K750 keyboard. This is an extraordinary solar keyboard that charges itself by light, let it be sunlight or indoor light. Features. This is a wireless keyboard with advanced 2.4 GHz connectivity. If one time charged completely, it stays charged for at least 3 months of darkness with 12 programmable functional keys. This is one of the most refined keyboards available. K750 has decreased the need for batteries and power cables. Craft keyboard. Due to its versatile nature, this keyboard can be considered to be best overall keyboard. I am mentioning this keyboard due to its constructive dial. I found it amazing. Features. This is a wireless keyboard. This keyboard has a touch sensitive dial on the upper left side of it. Craft dial adapts itself with the app and programs you are using. This helps you to adjust the brightness, change stroke weight and edit images in Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Lightroom, Classic CC respectively. Next one in the list is Logitech K600 TV keyboard. So here comes our best keyboard for television, which is integrated with a touchpad and D-pad. Smart TV navigation is the main use of this keyboard. Features. If you have K600 TV, a keyboard, you won't miss anything. You just work effortlessly to find out what you want to watch. Browsing the internet and searching for your favorite show can be done without remote, and believe me, it's trouble free. You can play, pause, fast forward and rewind anything. This can be connected not only to your telephone but also your PC and mobile phones. Next one is Logitech K840 keyboard. It can be considered as the best wired keyboard from Logitech. It is a coded mechanical keyboard. Features. With its keys engineered by Romer G, the K840 keyboard gives you strain-free work even for long hours of work. As its key don't make a sound while typing, you can work silently without disturbing anyone around. It has 1.8 meter long cable. It weighs 910 grams. Logitech K800 keyboard. This is considered as the best keyboards for Windows. Features. This has 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity. The keys in the keyboard light every time so that you can work efficiently even in the dark. The keyboard is entrusted with sensors that senses your hands approaching. They light up when your hands are close and turn off when they are far away. Logitech K480 keyboard. Considered to be the best keyboard for mobile by Logitech, this is an extraordinary one. It is an accessible multi-device keyboard. Features. This keyboard can be connected to your PC, mobile phone or tablet. This connects through Bluetooth. It is a given with dial which makes you effortlessly switch between devices. This keyboard can pair up to 3 Bluetooth devices at the moment just at your touch. It weighs 820 grams. Last but not the least, conclusion. Logitech has several varieties of keyboards that will suit you and you would enjoy the fantastic features of these keyboards. Work for longer hours on your PC or smartphone. Logitech keyboard will definitely help you to get your work easier. Even your television can also pair up with Logitech keyboards, making your search on television uncomplicated. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.